Здравствуй, дорогой друг. Hello, my friend. Welcome to Russian for Beginners. My name is Maria, and I will be your native Russian teacher from Saint Petersburg. I'm very glad to see you here and to have such a wonderful chance to acquaint you with my beautiful native language. It will not be easy at first, but step by step, lesson by lesson, together we will reach the goal. You will master the Russian language and say, I did it. So let's get started. Our first lesson is devoted to the Russian alphabet. First of all, let's take a look at the entire Russian alphabet in its classical order. Here you can see the capital and uppercase form of the letter, as well as a hint for pronunciation. But to make it easier for you to remember the letters, I divided them into 4 groups. Let's see how it looks. So, the first group contains 5 letters that are written and pronounced the same as in English. The second group contains 7 letters which look like English ones but have different sounds. The third group contains 13 letters which look unfamiliar but have familiar sounds. And the last group contains 8 letters whose writing and sound are unfamiliar. Press pause and write it down, please. Let's start with the first group. I guess you will remember this letter is the easiest way. A. A. As in father. A. K. K. As in kind. K. M. M. As in man. M. O. O. As in old. O. T. T. As in take. T. Okay. Let's try to practice. Repeat with me. A. A. K. K. M. M. O. O. T. T. Great! Let's move on the second group. And I want to remind you that the second group contains 7 letters which look like English ones but have different sounds. So, the first one is V. V. As in vibes. V. Ye. Ye. As in yes. Ye. N. N. As in nice. N. R. R. As in rain, but it has to be rolled like in Scottish English or like in Russian. R. 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 Rain. S. S. As in sun. S. U. U. As in soon. U. Ha. H. As in hello. H. Okay, let's practice. Repeat with me. V. V. Ye. Ye. N. N. R. R. S. S. U. U. H. H. Perfect. Moving on the largest third group. The third group contains 13 letters which look unfamiliar but have familiar sounds in English. Let's take a look. B. B. as in baby, b. G, g, as in good, g. D, d, as in date, d. Yo, as in your, yo. Z, z, as in zoo or zodiac, z. E, as in meat, I. I kratké, j, as in toy, j. L, as in love, l. P, as in people, p. F, as in fine, f. As in edit, e. U, as in university, U. Ya, as in yard. Let's repeat what we just learned. B, g, d, yo, z, I, y, l, p, f, e, u, ya. And the last, fourth group. The fourth group contains 8 letters whose writing and sound are unfamiliar. J, as in pleasure or vision. T, as in it's. Ch, as in chips, ch. Sha, as in shape, sh. Sha, sh. Okay, this letter is pretty tricky. It sounds a lot like the letter sh, but a little softer, sh. Not sh, but sh. We can hear the sound between these two words. Well, ship. Sh, not sh, but sh. Just keep practicing. Sh. Heart sign represents a very short pause. For example, in the word объект, which means object, and you can hear this little pause between ob and ekt. Объект. Ob, pause, ekt. Объект. Объект. Do you hear this? Good. This letter doesn't exist in English, but what should we do? For pronouncing pronounce u at first and then change the position of the lips, extend them. This is the way you can pronounce the Russian u. So let's try. U plus extending lips. U, We. We. Yes, it looks pretty funny. One more time. We. The tongue is located in the same place. And the last one. We call it soft sign. There is no sound for this letter as well as for hard sign. Soft sign softens the front consonant. For example, in the word гость, which means guest, you can hear that t sounds soft, not t, but t. Гость, гость, not t, but t. Don't worry, we will talk more about reading rules in the next lesson. Let's summarize. J, j, t, t, ch, ch, sh, 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 sh. Hard sign. U, 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 u. Soft sign. It's time to see what we've learned today. Repeat after me. A, K, M, O, T, V, Y, N, R, S, U, H, B, G, D, J, Z, I, J, L, P, F, E, U, Ja, Ž, C, Č, Š, Š. Hard sign, U, soft sign. Congratulations! This was your first Russian lesson, and you're doing great! Today we've learned the Russian alphabet, and in the next lesson we will explore the basic rules of reading. Looking forward to seeing you in our next class. Bye-bye!